Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mrs. Vasanti Revatkar, Department of Botany, Associate Professor, Shri Jnanesh Mahavidyalaya, Navargaon District, Chandrapur. The title of my paper is India as Mega Biodiversity Nation, a fantastic ethnobotanical museum. Biodiversity country is one that contains majority of living species found on the earth. There are 17 mega biodiversity countries in the world. India ranks 9th in terms of richness of higher plant species. Flora and fauna are most diverse along with the food, culture, clothing, languages and of India. Diversity is due to the variety of geographical features that includes frozen glacier, deep rain forest, fertile valley, then blistering desert and beaches with palm vegetation. India contains 1,27,000 species of the world, is known for its rich heritage of biological diversity. Having already documented over 91,000 species of animal and 45,500 species of plant in its 10 biogeographical region. Nearly 6,500 native plants are still used prominently in indigenous healthcare system. This is about the diagrammatic representation. In the table, all these numbers are given. There are about 15,000 species of angiosperm, that is of flowering plant. Of them, 588 genera are related to the monocotyledon, 65 species of gymnosperm, then 1,232 species of pteridophytes, 2,800 species of bryophytes, 6,990 species of algae, 14,500 species of fungi, 130 species of parasites and 70 species of saprophytes. There are lichens. 2,075 species of lichens are also there in our biodiversity country. More than 850 species of viruses and bacteria are also found in India. About 90,000 animal species representing over 7% of Earth's recorded fauna species have been found in Indian forest. Over 400 mammal species are found here. This is the saving endangered species in India. Then bird species are 1,224, reptiles are 408 and amphibians are 197. Fish species are 2,546. Then India, coming back to the India as an ethnobotanical museum. Let us see what is ethnobotany. The term ethnobotany was first coined by American botanist John William Hershberger in 1896 to study the plant used by the primitive and aborigine people. Therefore, we can define the ethnobotany is a branch of botany which deals with study of plants used by tribal people. There are about 563 tribal communities having age-old traditional knowledge through their long association with forest. Nearly 6,500 native plants are used predominantly in indigenous healthcare. As we've already seen that India, being a mega biodiversity country, fulfill all the requirements of tribal people, including problems of nutrition, healthcare and life support system, social custom, mythological association or faith in plants, cottage industry, economic upliftment, conservation of biodiversity and sustainable use of plant resource and proved as complete, fantastic ethnobotanical museum. Conclusion. The land occupied for this mega biodiversity is 2.4% of land on the globe, which accounts 7.8% of world recorded species, and most of them are preserved and protected our plant wealth by the tribals, who are 7.5% of India's population. They have been using many plants for curing their ailments to celebrate festival, ceremony, folklore, vitality and longevity enjoyed by the tribals since time immemorial. Thank you very much. Here are some references which I have included in this